You want to get smarter, right? But the world makes it seem like you need 12 years of school, 4 years of college, and maybe even grad school to reach that goal. Spoiler alert, that's how you end up broke, not necessarily brilliant. Good news? Getting smarter is easier than you think. It doesn't matter if you think your genetics are holding you back. Compared to other animals, humans are pretty OP. Here are 5 steps to actually get smarter. Step 1. Understand what getting smarter means. Being smarter isn't just about IQ. It's about learning useful skills, solving problems, mastering tough topics, and sounding sharp in conversations. Just enough to impress, but not enough to come off as a know-it-all. Step 2. Start reading the right way. Reading is your secret weapon. You don't have to read the same 5 books everyone tells you to read. Instead, think of a topic you want to learn. Pick topics that genuinely interest you. Want to cook better? Check out books on cooking techniques or recipes. Curious about space? Find a beginner's guide to astronomy. Fascinated by history? Dive into a book about ancient civilizations. Explore topics that light your curiosity. Fiction helps too. It improves your reading speed, builds vocabulary, and helps you relate better to people through its focus on dialogue and human experiences. Yes, fiction may be imaginary, but it often mirrors the complexities of real life. Step 3. Apply what you learn. Your brain remembers things better when you use them. Practice it. Read about photography, pick up a camera and experiment. Learning a new language, start speaking simple phrases. Visualize it. If practicing isn't an option, imagine yourself using the knowledge step by step. For example, if you're learning about first aid, mentally walk through how you'd help someone in an emergency. Step 4. Test yourself. Challenge yourself with questions or scenarios to lock in what you've learned. For example, after reading about budgeting, test yourself by creating a mock budget or answering questions like, what are 3 common budgeting mistakes? Pretend the stakes are high to keep it engaging. Step 5. Level up with textbooks. If you're serious, dive into textbooks. They're packed with essential knowledge and practice problems. For example, if you're studying physics, textbooks break down concepts like force and motion in detail. Plus, if money's tight, there is a website you might accidentally end up on where you could accidentally download free textbooks on any subject you want. Getting smarter is about what you learn, how you apply it, and why your brain should care. Challenge yourself to improve. Start small, stay curious, and keep leveling up. If you want to level up in life, don't forget to like and subscribe. See you in the next one.